This is bread and potatoes. This is bread. Bread is nice. Bread is delicious. Bread is soft. And these are potatoes. So, potatoes are nice. Potatoes are soft. Potatoes are tardy. And potatoes are delicious. But some people don't like bread. And some people do not like potatoes. But there are some people who like bread and potatoes. Both things. Both food. Now, if I put this potato on top of the bread and eat it, still delicious. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with that. Now, if I eat both two same bread, if I eat both bread, like mmm, mmm, it's delicious. Nothing happens. Even cat likes bread. Look at cat. Eats bread, likes bread. Nothing goes wrong with bread. It's good. But if you don't like bread, then I wouldn't force you. That's your own opinion if you don't like bread. But that doesn't mean that you can discriminate other people who likes bread. That doesn't mean that you can force them to stop eating bread because bread is nice. Even I like bread. And potatoes as well. I can eat two potatoes. Two potatoes. Nothing's nothing's wrong with taters. It's good. Very good. It depends on your mouth. If you like bread in your mouth, then that's good. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you like potatoes in your mouth, there's nothing wrong with that too. It depends on your mouth. It depends on what you want inside your body. So yeah. But you cannot discriminate other people because they like bread too much or they like potatoes too much or both things. Even my cat understand it. Eat cat. It's not that hard to understand. So yeah, I hope you understand this video.